Look at that. That thing's awesome, dude. I like it. So go crash so you can try it out. Tell us how it works.
Yeah, it's got the LED seats on.
It's ready to crash.
Ready to crash.
All right, so we're getting our helmets back on, and we are headed to the next stop's gonna be a gas station. It's like 35 miles away, but we're here at the Bonneville Dam, right on the Columbia River on the Washington side, as you guys probably are seeing on my little map I got going on for you. So this is a really mellow, easygoing ride, and but it's fun. Gonna, like I said, or seeing a little bit of new stuff like the Lewis River back there. I don't know if I put that in the video, but if I did, that was a road I don't think I've ever been on. It was the Lewis and Clark River?
Lewis River.
Lewis River, okay. Oh, okay, so yeah, that's... Alright. I know where it's
Or maybe it was the Washougal River.
Okay,
Remember.
well then, it's a river, guys, that we were riding on, and it was awesome, so... But
The road is Washougal River Road. And then it turns... I don't know the name of the road coming down, but the road going up is Washougal River Road.
Alright.
So maybe it's the Washougal River? I don't know.
Alright. Whatever's clever. Whatever's clever. It's a bit breezy, but it's usually typically windy here in the gorge, because we're kind of in the gorge right now, on the end of the gorge, I guess you could say. At the end of the gorge, right? Kind of.
The beginning of the gorge.
Okay, the beginning.
They keep going.
The beginning.
Electric pressure washer.
Yeah?
It's got a little soap dispenser on it.
Huh.
Suds it up and then flip over to the main attachment. It's pretty low PSI, so how the plate works.
Yeah. Dude, the quality on this camera is so much better than my old camera. Yeah, like way better. And I've grabbed a couple still shots out of the video from it, and it's sweet. Like at the high speeds, like the sides are blurred, and then like some of the stuff that's staying there is like in focus, and man, some of it looks really cool. I mean, it's not a professional DSLR shot, but dude, for pulling a snapshot off of a video from a GoPro, it's really good. And nope, only 1080, because I can't handle 4K on my computer.
Yeah, 4K is pretty serious.
Yeah, I can't imagine what kind of pics I can pull out of that, but
It's like, 8 times more space or something like that.
4 times. No, it's 4 times. It's 4 times. Oh yeah, I see it. Sweet. That'd be awesome to fly down in here. Dude, I've been getting these advertisements from Portland helicopters on my Facebook feed now, and oh my god, the prices are so cheap. I'm about to jump on a helicopter and go for a ride. Dude, some of them are cheap as like 40 bucks. Just, you know, cruising around Portland. You could do like the Oregon City Falls. You can do a ride over there. One of the rides is down here in the gorge. That's more expensive. I think the gorge ride is like 170, but I mean, still overall, the prices are not that bad. Have you ever flown in a helicopter? Dude, it's awesome. It is so freaking fun. This is where we were last year when we rode with Bill. Yeah. Nice view there. You said that's Mount Baker?
It's Mount Adams.
Mount Adams, okay. Is it dirt? Is it dirt? Oh yeah.
Nice. Yeah. Swim boot. I see a rooster tail. Nice. Nice. I can't tell.
Try a second gear one. I'll pop the clutch a little bit. Looks like a cool spot to fly the drone. It doesn't look too windy.
Yeah, man, if you want to fly the drone, I'll hang out here for a few minutes.
Yeah, sure. Oh, dude, should I bust some single?
There you go. There's, yeah. There's some single track over there.
Yeah. Is this where you can see it down in here, maybe? Safety first.
J-turn thing.
No, not yet, because I'm afraid I'm gonna drop it, dude. That's how I dropped it practicing his that's how I dropped it the first time. No, not quite.
My ABS kicks in so fast.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Big old. You like that one?
Nice. That was nice. Yeah.
A little bit. I'm gonna get that down, drift it a little bit. But again, crash bars, because it's just gonna take a little slip, dude. And that's it. It's gonna fall down.
Yep.
Then I'll have a fucking shift lever like Austin.
Oh my god.
Dude, I don't even see how he was riding that like that.
That kid, man. He's a little out there sometimes.
How'd he lay it down? Do you know?
He was standing and went over a little bump in the road, like a little rise in the road,
Yeah.
and the balance got all out of whack and it tank slapped him low side.
Ooh. If you survive the stupid shit like that, then it just gives you more experience. And you're not a fucking idiot. You're just a person with more experience. Dude. There are some really nice views here.
I need to fix my hair, see my face.
Nice little roundabout, little loop. Oh, more dirt.
Yeah, it's one of those cars. It's a Porsche.
Yeah.
Whatever. Broke down or something.
I'm sure it's broke down. Yeah.
You were with me when I was riding, got the flat out Vancouver somewhere.
Yep. And dude, that was gonna be a freaking awesome video of how to patch a rear tire, and I screwed that one up too. Yeah.
Look at that.
It's awesome, man. Oh, dude. Picture perfect stuff here. I wonder if I want to rip down here and stuff and get some. Man, that's a good photo op right here, dude. Like on this curvy road. with this like red looking rock and the yellow line. Woo! Get a picture of the bike here at this rock in the back. Huh?
That drone wouldn't be worth much in this.
No, no. It'd blow away. Epic views, epic views. Little fuel stop at the Click-a-Tat Trader, and we are off again. Getting hungry. So okay, just under 1,000 pounds on that gull wing.
Yeah.
And it has reverse. It's like all nice and calm now. What a trip.
There's the bridge for the locks and the dam.
That is some strong current right there. Man, that is a lot of water moving right there. Good old Columbia River. Lots of salmon swimming up here. Back into Oregon. Oregon! That dude in that truck just had something fly out of his truck and go into the river. Did you see that?
Yeah. It's a white thing.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, stopped at this nice little park here for some lunch. Had a sandwich and some chips that I bought at one of those gas stations. So we're getting ready to head out. We'll do another leg. Gonna come around the back side of Mount Hood. It's a little windy out here though. It's a little windy, but we're having a good time, and it's all good.